Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do an at-home pedicure, starting with my soaking tub. I found everything that you're going to see off of Amazon, so I'll provide a link to everything down in the description below. Starting with adding water to the tub, and this is just lukewarm water. I'm using a bottle because it looks cuter, but honestly you could just fill it up with the bathtub or with your sink if it's deep enough. And I'm also going to be adding some hot water. So I just kind of gauge the temperature with putting my feet in. I'm like, oh my god, it's too hot. So I take them out and, adjust the water. You don't want it too hot, but you want it warm enough to soften the cuticles, soften the calluses on the bottom of your feet. Now the first thing I'm going to do is protect my fingernails or my hands with some gloves, and using some acetone and a cotton ball, I'm going to remove the old paint. Now of course you can use regular polish or gel polish, but in this video I'm just going to be using regular polish, so using that 100% acetone to remove the polish. It's my favorite because any other products that I find at like the drugstore, it's just not strong enough, so that's my favorite go-to acetone. Then I'm going to go ahead and pop these babies into my tub to soak them, and I'm going to add a little bit of Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover. It's in like within seconds. They soften up and then you can wash them away, or you can use this tool here that comes with a dual-ended side. One side's like almost like a spatula, and I use it to scrape off any of like the old polish that I missed, dead skin cells, dirt, oil, girl, all the guts and grime of my toes, okay? So I'm pushing that all towards the cuticle, and you can see it was a lot more than it looked until I added that product and I soaked my feet. So this is how you get that really nice clean salon pedicure. And after I'm done with this, you can either wipe it away or you can cut it away with cuticle cutter. So I'm going to do a little bit of both. So as I can show you here, this is like the easy, smooth way. You can just wipe it away and it's gone, girl. Then I'm going to move over to the next toe and so on and so forth and repeat the process. And then when I'm done, I'll just wash away the skin in the water and anything that I need to trim, especially around my nails or underneath my nails. I'll do that with the matching cuticle cutters, which comes in a set. Everything is super affordable, which is great because, I'm not trying to spend $1 million. I'm trying to save money, not spend too much money, right? So a lot of the tools and products that I'm using in this video are well under 20 bucks, so friendly on our budget and our wallets, because we know these spa pedicures can run 40, 50, 60, well, depending on if you're going to get regular polish or gel, it could be pretty pricey. So doing it at home is so much better, and if it looks like crap, it's your fault. I'm just kidding, kind of, but not really. Then I'm going to go ahead and trim and shape my nails as needed. This would not be a summer pedicure without removing calluses. This pumice stone I use for cleaning. This one is really aggressive, but it's great. Use dry or wet. And then this one I leave in the shower because it's one of my favorites. But if your feet are rough, where you just might as well chop them off and start again, I suggest this foot peel mask. And you basically just wrap your feet in these masks that have the product inside, and after an hour your feet are so dehydrated that your skin starts to peel off like this, and it reveals fresh, soft skin underneath. It's worth every penny, and it's a lot faster than everybody thinks. Next I'm going to be using these gel separators, but if you don't have to have them, I'm going to show you a different alternative using a paper towel. All you do is kind of twist it until it's like a skinny little tube, and you're going to feed it through your toes, and voila. It's just easier for me when I clean around the toes with the polish that I use. So if your nails are brittle and weak, I suggest this nail strengthener. It's the best. Also, here are a few shades that I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with, but I'm going to be using this one here from Sally Hansen, Instant Dry. It dries really quickly, but I still add a top coat. Let me know in the comments below if you guys love white toenails. I feel like it's like the most popular color for pedicures, and it's for a reason, because it's just perfect, right? I love it. And it just makes my feet look more tan than they are, because the rest of my body is like practically see-through. But I'm cleaning up around the edges using this e.l.f. brush. This is the way that my brush looks like because I'm constantly putting it in my mouth, so I destroyed the handle and I just decided to paint it. But I go around the edges of my nails where the skin hits the nail, and this gives it a more professional finish because it's nice and clean. And after I go in with the second coat of this polish, making sure that it's like the whitest white of polishes, I am going to clean up once again and then also add in my favorite top coat, which is Seche Vite, and I've been using it here on YouTube and in my life for years. I mean, probably longer than my son has been alive for sure. It's my favorite fast drying top coat. I've used so many over the years, and it's just the one that I keep gravitating towards. It depends on when you buy it and where you buy it. It can be anywhere from $8 to maybe $12 a bottle, but it's worth every single penny, I promise. Then I'm going to use some cuticle oil. This one's from OPI Spa, and it smells amazing. And after I'm done rubbing it into my feet, I just rub it into my hands as well because it's super moisturizing and it doesn't leave your hands or feet feeling greasy or gross. And last but not least, I'm using O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet. This is a foot cream, and it's just a great, nice, thick, hydrating cream for the feet after you've done all of that really heavy duty scrubbing to the calluses, leaving your feet really nice and soft, supple, and looking brand new and ready for some sandals and summer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, follow for more. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye. Bye!
I spent my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too.